In this video, I will tell you what you will cover throughout this course in detail. We'll start with programming section. Here you will know what is programming, history and importance of programming, classification of programming. You will know about high-level language, assembly language, and machine language. You will also know how compiler compiles our code. After that, you will know about Python. Here we'll talk about what is Python. We will install Python into our local machine, and as well as we will install VS Code to run our Python file. After that, we'll talk about data types and operators. Here you will know about arithmetic operators, variables and assignment operators, Boolean data types and comparison logical operators, string and its methods, number data type, and type conversion. After that, you will know about the data structures in Python. Here we'll talk about lists and its methods, mutability and ordered sequence, sets and tuples, dictionary, data structure. After that, you will know how you can make decision in programming. Here you will know about conditional statement, and we're going to talk about some of the examples, and you're going to solve one challenge as well. After that, we'll talk about repetitive statement. In that, you will know about for loop, while loop, break, and continue statement. After that, you will know about how you can create your own functions, like what is function first you will know, and then you're going to create your own function. We're going to talk about the scope of variables. After that, you will know about one of the most important concepts in computer science and in programming, object-oriented programming. Here, we'll talk about what is object-oriented programming, class and objects, 4 pillars, inheritance, encapsulation and abstraction, and polymorphism. And the best part about this course is challenges. You will solve a bunch of challenges throughout this course, which will make you a better developer. Here, you will know about how you can create multi-planet edge calculator, how you can create compound lists, how you can create compound data structure. You will create discount calculator for coffee outlet. You will create a grocery store application. And at the end, you will create a student class. There is a lot that we need to cover. So don't wait, click next, and let's begin our journey.